Hey everybody, here in the shop today, doing a little preventative maintenance and pre-harvest inspections. Got this new to us 8700 Claas Lexion. Got about 400 hours on it. Doing all the services to all the oils on it, just so we have a baseline of where we're at. Start fresh. Surprisingly, these machines, the book says to do 1,000 hours on engine oil. So that was new. We're not going to because we don't know what the previous life is, but a little preventative maintenance goes a long ways. See the condition, all the oil. Same thing with that one. It's a 9.9 New Holland. Doing the pre-checks, got some bearings we're replacing, trying to prevent some downtime. So we've done all the idlers and doing a bunch of other work to that one. And same with this, loosen all the belts up. Chucked all the idlers, make sure that they're all good. Something I would highly recommend. Any sort of preventative maintenance on these machines helps prevent that downtime, so we can all stay up and running. Have a great harvest.